Hey there, it's your friend Johnny Blue from One Stop Business, and today we are going to journey through the process of crafting, nurturing, and propagating a YouTube channel. This video is a treasure trove of insights and tips, whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or a beginner. The journey starts with a compelling name and logo. A catchy name lingers in the minds of viewers, and a visually appealing logo should encapsulate your brand's essence. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit the notification button to join our giveaway. Moving on, the next step is designing an attractive channel banner and a succinct, engaging channel trailer. The banner should grab attention and reflect your channel's tone and style. The trailer, a quick introduction, should set expectations for what your channel offers. Now, it's time to populate your channel with high-quality content. Your videos should be a blend of information, engagement, and entertainment. Be consistent with your video schedule to keep viewers anticipating your next release. With a few videos published, you're ready to promote your channel. Here are a few strategies. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit the notification button to join our giveaway. But promoting your channel doesn't stop there. Here are a few more tips. The process of crafting, nurturing, and propagating a YouTube channel requires patience and hard work, but the rewards can be incredible. With the tips from this video, you can navigate the journey to a successful YouTube channel. If you're ready to create your YouTube channel, go ahead and sign up for an account. Once you're set up, visit the YouTube Creator Hub for more resources and tips. Before you go, there's an amazing product that can guide you on your YouTube journey. Check out the link in the description below. It's a tutorial-packed resource that could be your key to YouTube success. This is Johnny Blue from One Stop Business. Remember, God is blue. Gotcha! Drop a comment and I'll explain why. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit the notification button to join our giveaway.